So in the last year, I've taken a lot of big risks and big actions so that I can grow my business. So I have Moxie Marketing Agency. It's a service-based business. I have been the one in the business, doing all the work, being the face of the company, and it got to be really exhausting, and to the point where the freedom that I first liked doing all the freelance solopreneur stuff just was not fun anymore. So I kind of reached this crossroads where I thought, okay, I can add more people on, but that's going to be so much more risk and a lot of work. Or I can also go into the online education space. I saw some people like Amy Porterfield and Sunny Lenarduzzi doing cool things where they built a product to help people to get them from point A to point B, and then they're able to really scale their company and actually build their own company off an online product. So I thought that that was really cool, and that's what I've been trying to do with the Digital Marketing Academy for Nonprofits. So I started that last September. It's been a year of building the audience. I thought I would be further along than I am, but I'm also proud to be where I am because every day now I'm generating leads. I'm putting up a YouTube video every Tuesday that's driving people to my email list. I'm at 550 subscribers now, which might not seem like a lot, but it is. So I'm proud of what I've accomplished. I think a lot of people don't really do videos like this because they're afraid that they won't ever get to where they want to go, and that is a fear for me, honestly. But I think it's cool to also document this process because I'm in it right now, and there's probably other people in it. And one of the things I found is you only have to be one step ahead of someone to teach them your path. So maybe you're watching this and you're a solopreneur with no staff. I'm someone who now is an entrepreneur with a couple part-time staff, some contractors, and I can help the solopreneur that's trying to get to my level. So I have a lot going on. I have the service side of my company, which I'm trying to grow and scale and get myself removed from it so that it can operate on its own. I'm trying to launch the online products so that I can build revenue that way and really scale. And I'm also launching YouTube channels because I learned that the YouTube channel from the nonprofit marketing really helps build the audience, really helps feed into the online side. And I'm doing it for the solopreneurs and entrepreneurs, kind of just for fun, honestly, but I'm hoping maybe somewhere down the line it will go somewhere. So those are the things I'm doing. I feel like it's kind of crazy because it's a lot, but I have this vision and it's what I want to do.